Hello and thanks for joining Success Paths TV. Your journey to success starts here. At Success Paths TV, we believe you are destined to succeed. It is the reason we make efforts through experiences and books to ensure your success. Almost everyone is in search of ways to become rich in life. However, majority of people may be either doing things wrongly or don't know what actually they want in life. No one has ever become rich by relying on luck. No, it doesn't work that way. Growing up, I thought I knew the way to become rich until few years ago after I graduated from the university and wanted to become one actually. I had to go through a lot things before I finally discovered how people became rich. And this has prompted me to share with you 10 things rich people do that poor people don't in today's video. I believe you want to become rich and that you would like to know what people are doing or did to become one. We will be giving you exactly that if you want to become rich. Carefully go through each point to know exactly what you need to do to become wealthy like never before. But before that, if you are new here or a regular viewer of this channel and have not subscribed yet, please do and press on the bell icon in order not to ever miss more educative and informative videos like this. 10 things rich people do that poor people don't. Number 1. The rich create passive income. Rich people make passive income without actually doing any work. The rich focus on producing value that many people are in need of and capable of making them money. But the poor don't have such income earning ability. Their most valuable tool in making money is time. But as we all know, each and every human being on earth has only 24 hours in a day. If that be the case, then it is only possible for you to make money by spending more time at work. Which means you are only creating one value for just one person or company. But for the rich, they create services or products for a number of people, thereby increasing their incomes even while they sleep. For instance, creating one e-book on a topic or subject that people are interested in and making multiple copies of it can fetch you handsome money with little to no work. Let's put this in monetary terms. If I sell one e-book for $5 for instance to let's say 100 people per day, I will make $15,000 in a month. And let's say you are paid $30 per hour for 8 hours, you are only making $7,200 in a month. You see the difference? Number 2. The rich focus on investment. You are about to hear the hard truth. One cannot become rich by saving money without having a purpose to grow it. Period. Probably, you've heard about the famous investor, Warren Buffett. If you haven't, Warren Buffett owns large shares in popular and high-performing companies including Apple, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, Chevron, General Motors, etc. As I speak to you, he is the 6th richest billionaire in the world. His net worth is around $96 billion as at the time of making this video. The least you can do to secure your money is to just save it. However, for you to become rich, you need to save and invest in worthwhile businesses to make you more money. It is only naive for you to think that saving your money with a bank is the best way to amass wealth. This is the thinking of the poor anyway. Create more income streams if you desire to become a millionaire. 3. The rich take actions. What good do you achieve when you are continuously engaged in talking and dreaming about your goals? The rich are always on the verge of taking next steps to reaching their next milestones, while the poor are goalless and only capable of talking and blaming others. Rich don't wait to have everything they need to achieve success. They are capable of using whatever they have and continue to look for others to reach their goals. The only way rich people make their dreams come true is by quitting talking and taking action to ensure they become successful. As Andrew Carnegie once said, "As I grow older, I pay less attention to what men say. I just watch what they do." Quit talking and walk your talk to become financially freedom. 4. The rich set goals. In my entire life, I've never come across any successful person who had no goal in the first place. Never. Okay, let me ask you this. What do you set to achieve in life if you have not set any goal for yourselves? Whether or not a goal is achievable depends on you and you alone. Don't be afraid to set big goals for yourself and never doubt what God has blessed you with. The rich always set goals and work on how to achieve them in the long run, whilst the poor aims at what they get daily, which makes them remain the same. I started this YouTube channel with the sole aim to share ideas and experiences in business, entrepreneurship, finance and personal development in order to help others achieve success, and the results I'm getting is massive. The key to achieving success is believing in yourself first. One important question to ask yourself when setting goals is, What do you want to be remembered for when you are no more? Stop asking yourself questions like what if it goes wrong and replace that with what if it goes right. 5. The rich take responsibility for their failures. Rich people take responsibilities for their own actions, good or bad. They are well known for taking bold steps in achieving success. Example is what Elon Musk, the second richest man at the time of making this video, has been doing in recent years. And he's worth $151 billion. When they make mistakes, they don't get stuck and complain. But rather, they learn from them and bear the consequences they bring forth without playing any blame games. The poor is always quick to put blames on others for something they tried and failed. At certain point in my life, I got to understand that for me to achieve success in life, I have to take charge of my actions and act boldly. And since then I have achieved a lot despite the hardships I had to endure because success is not achieved on a silver platter. Number 6. The rich read books and learn always. Rich people always learn and educate themselves by reading books which enable them achieve their goals and become successful in life. Rich people never stop learning because they think that they are not perfect and need to improve always. Poor people think they are not perfect either, but they don't make time to learn new things to have a better life. It is either they regard reading as a waste of time or they are just lazy to read to improve their lives. Just remember this, the day you stop learning is the day you die. If you take me for instance, I only got to know about the importance of reading life-changing books in the year 2017, and since then I've read a lot of them and my life has really improved. A lot of treasures are hidden in books, trust me. 7. Rich often learn to overcome their fears. It is only natural to have fear as humans. However, allowing it to overcome you destroys you and your future. Majority of people don't set goals for their lives because they fear to fail. They are afraid to be mocked at when they try and don't succeed. Rich people have the habit of failing often and faster. Because through their failures and mistakes, they become successful by learning great and invaluable lessons from them. How would we have had light if Thomas Edison had allowed failure to consume him? How would we have had aeroplane, one of the fastest means of transportation, if the Wright brothers had allowed the fear of failure to overcome them? I could go on and on and on because the list is endless. The poor are much afraid of taking risks. They are too scared of failure, therefore they don't make any attempts to try new things. The rich learn to overcome their fears by taking calculated risks, which helps them to grow their businesses faster and make more money. 8. The rich make good use of their time. Rich people know how precious, expensive and scarce time is, so they make very good use of it because once lost it can never be regained. They ensure that they don't engage in unnecessary activities. They ensure that whatever activities they are engaged in contribute to their success. As a matter of fact, they spend little to no time on social media, TV, newspaper, etc. Myself for example, I don't have TV in my room. And I spend little time on social media to engage my business, family and few friends. Why must you spend a large part of your time on activities that do not contribute to your financial freedom, if I may ask? While you are busy enjoying and wasting time on unnecessary things, the rich are busy making good money. Hence, the reason the rich get richer. 9. The rich don't give up. Hardly does one achieve their goals by giving up. One of the most common attitude you can find among the rich is the habit of not giving up on their goals. They would rather prefer to sacrifice whatever they have to get what they want. They understand that anything worth having doesn't come easily. And that they will persevere and achieve greatness in the end. Unlike the rich, the poor easily gives up on their dreams when they make first attempt and fail. When I started my YouTube journey in 2020, I nearly gave up in the midway because of the requirement I needed to meet to achieve success on the platform. It was really hard. However, because I knew exactly what I wanted to achieve with the channel, I persevered and put in more efforts as it got tougher and tougher. Like any other rich person, giving up should never be an option at all for you to consider. Last on the list. The rich make friends with other successful people. Rich people don't make friends with unsuccessful or lazy people, and they don't keep bad companies. They hardly hang out with people that are only capable of complaining about the weather condition, bad-mouthing others, and speaking negatively about the state of the economy. They prefer to hang out with people that always talk about entrepreneurship, business, success, opportunities and all the positive things around. If you've known me for some time, you know how I'm passionate about helping others create opportunities for themselves. And this is the reason I created this channel, in order to reach more people. In fact, you don't need to physically have interactions with other ambitious people. With the help of technology, you could make a lot of friends with successful people who can help you in your business to grow without necessarily traveling to them. Use your social media presence wisely. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the 10 things we believe rich people do that people don't, and if you think today's video can make a difference in your life and others, which I strongly believe it will, we would like to give you more educative and informative videos like this by liking, subscribing and sharing with others. Click to watch our next video. Comment down below and I will personally respond to you. We at Success Paths TV appreciate you.